Here at Orange Wires, we eat the good stuff.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful December morning here in these beautiful mountains, and what we've got behind us is this luxurious 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. She is a four-wheel drive. She does need some love. We have been neglecting it for a little bit. We started on it here a while back. We got sidetracked. We got on some other jobs, but it's time for us to get focused and get something done to this truck. That's what we've got to do. That's what we intend to do. We're going to get focused. We're going to buckle down. We're going to try to get this thing finished up. So what we need to do today, we need to just jump in here. It's just as hard as we can, as fast as we can. Jump on this bed and try to get this bed finished up and get some paint on it. That would be wonderful if we could get some paint on this bed today. Get it shining in the beautiful Barcelona red on a beautiful December day. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to jump in here. We're going to get it going. We're going to get it done. Alrighty, guys. JP, he jumped on this thing with this little rubber wheel, and he just started getting all the stripes off. He got the TRD Sport. He got the TRD Sport logo off. Man, he got this thing looking good. He got the fender flare off, and he got them stripes off all the way to the other end of the truck. So this thing right here, it's going real good, and he done all that while I was playing patty cake with that. But you know what? We did get that rear bumper off too. We got it all set off because we got brand new bumpers for this thing. They're on their way. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna continue jumping on this thing. We're gonna get it sanded down. We're gonna try our best to get primer on it and get it painted. Alrighty guys, check it out. I know I said at the beginning of this video, we's gonna put paint on this thing today. Well, we kind of did. We put a little black guide coat on it. But you know what? We didn't make it to the paint, but we did. We did get the primer on. So this thing, this whole truck side, we fixed the little spots that we needed to fix. We filled them up with some glaze. We had one spot or two that we had to put just a little bit of Bondo in, but not much at all. It really went really well. And then JP, he mixed up the primer, man, and he went crazy insane on this thing. And we got some heavy primer and some guide coat and a couple of spots that he marked for me that I need to block down pretty good. But you know what? I think we're real close. Maybe in the next video, we will get that Barcelona red going. I guarantee it. We're going to get it going in the next video. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.